welcome. Today I'm finally sharing the transformation of this utility room. This was such a fun project to do, mainly because it's for my mum. This is her utility room. This was on the list, I think, because we got the kitchen done maybe 4 years ago now, I think it was at this stage. I know, 4 years already. It's crazy. So the utility room was obviously next on the list of rooms to do. So we didn't really hold back. We built walls, we took walls down, we painted, well, I'm saying we. I didn't personally, but amazing people did. It's finished now at last and I can finally share with you. So without further ado, let's just have a look and see the process and the finished result. Okay, update on the utility room. So these doors are going, I don't care. The Velux windows are in, so they're gonna be going in this week. In here, there's gonna be like skylights along here. And that's the bathroom, and there's gonna be a skylight inside there. So it has to get plastered and chased and everything out this week. It's just like an update on what this project is looking like. I think it's gonna be really cool. So yeah, I think it's gonna look really, really good. I'm excited to get like the units ordered and the tiles ordered and do all like them kind of fun things, because that's the fun part, like getting everything like kind of the construction side of things. I'm just like not really interested, but the patterns and everything else, I'm like getting very excited about it. I think it's gonna look really, really cool. So it's gonna remeasure the walls and stuff just to make sure all the units are gonna fit, and yeah, it'll look amazing. So the wall is fully down, well the door is out. See there? You can walk in now. I know, it's just so easily. It's very nice. Okay, so are you finally ready to see the utility room? Let's start here before I go in. We painted this beautiful skirting around architrave in this lovely blue colour. We just followed the same blue that was in the hallway already, and it just looks so nice with the cabinetry in here. And if you look up, it's completely open now, so we have loads of light coming in, because if you remember previously we had a glass door here which let in a lot of light. So with this wall and everything closed in here, we needed to bring light in some other way, and this is the best option. It just adds so much height when you walk through here, and it's lovely. So let's have a look inside the utility room. So come on in. I know it's a lot to take in at once. Okay, so where do I start? I'm gonna start off with the actual units over here. So here we have the washing machine and dryer. We could put it behind these two glass doors. I just like that you can kind of close it off, but you can still see them and you can open them out as well. Now these are pocket doors, so they slide in. I'll do that off camera. Which is handy, and then we just have a little slot here for the ironing board and everything to go into. It's a nicer height having the dryer and washing machine stacked, because at least then, because this is for mum, you know, her back will be getting sore and everything else, so it's a nicer height, so she doesn't have to, like, you know, keep bending down, because previously in the other utility room they're lower than this actually, because they're on the ground. And we just done a slimmer framed shaker style door, and we just kind of paneled it as well. It's traditional, but it has a more contemporary kind of twist to it. I don't think it'll ever date, to be honest, because the shaker style has always been in fashion and this is a newer take on it. And then back here we have a freezer. So in our previous utility room we had one of them chest freezers, impossible to get to. So again, it's thinking in the future it's easy to open up and see everything here, and it's a full length integrated larger freezer. We went with 2.3 meter high units just to get, you know, most of the height of the space. I didn't bother going to the ceiling just because I feel like I didn't need it. There's no coving resin, so I didn't think it needed the full height to the ceiling. And then over here we have another storage press. We have nothing in here yet, you know, I'm sure over time it will be filled. Also, I forgot to mention up here, there's a perfect spot up here to store your baskets. Because I didn't catch that they match the colours perfectly. Over here, we have another cupboard that just kind of goes into the back just for extra storage. And bum, 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 we have a wine fridge. Mum always wanted a wine cooler, and now she has one. I like the ones with the wood inside them. I mean, some people get the metal inside, but I just don't like the sound of the bottles hitting off metal. I think it's a nicer kind of effect, and I like the all black kind of look of it as well. I want a Formica worktop in a marble effect, and then look at the tiles. Are they not just the most beautiful tiles you've ever seen in your life? I've actually done this in another project and I fell so much in love with them that I wanted them here as well. So I could see them more often. I just love them. We've done brass trimmings around all the tiles, brass lighting, brass handles. These handles are actually from Plank Hardware. It's an Irish company and the quality is just exceptional. These actually come in 3 different sizes. It comes in a size smaller and a size bigger. So just something for everyone's kind of needs. Which is quite nice. There's one more cupboard over here which I keep forgetting about. That's just like for extra storage as well. All the tiles are from Inspire Tiles in Claremorris. I just think they have such an amazing selection of tiles, and also if there's a specific tile style that you're looking for, they can source them for you as well, which is fantastic for me because I always see really cool tiles and never know where to get them, and they're just fantastic for that. This window is actually from the bathroom because if you don't know this, the bathroom window was behind these units. And we took it out and put it here instead. Just, you know, waste not, want not. And then over here we have this beautiful art print. This is actually an original oil painting by John Ellis. I got this. There's a story behind this one. But I'm not going to bother telling it. It's lovely. There was supposed to be another print here, but it wouldn't go up. So this one went here instead. But it just has like the nice blue and yellows, and it's very calming. I think, you know, when you're in your utility room and you're doing all the washing and stuff, it's nice to have a sense of calmness in the space, and I just feel like it. And we just kept all the walls white just to keep the same as the hallway, just so it has a nice kind of flow through. And also it's a dark room, like it gets nice light out here, but it only gets light in the evening time because this is where the sun sets. For today it's not the brightest, like I've turned the lights off. Like it's not dark, it wouldn't be as bright as like the kitchen or any rooms on the other side of the house, but it's nice. But that's the utility room. I think it's really nice. I really like it. It does enough space when you're in here. If you need to open up these to take the washing out, you have a surface here to lay everything down on. Now I can't promise that these flowers are going to stay here because I'm sure Mum will move them at some stage for more space. But for right now, they're lovely, and like a little kind of ball here, books and stuff, and you know, it's it's nice. And yes, it's been a journey getting this utility room done, but now it's finally done, and I think Mum's happy with it because that's the only opinion that really matters. Are you happy with it, Mum?
Yes, very happy.
There you go. Thank you so much for watching this. Let me know what you thought down in the comment section. I have a lot more room transformations coming within the next month, so do be sure to stick around and see them, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.